Trisha, what is digital marketing? Let me explain. Digital marketing is how we promote our products and services using the internet. We normally use social media like Instagram, Facebook, especially TikTok. Then you also get your email marketing when you subscribe for newsletters, let's say once a week or once a month. You also get your content marketing where you use videos, blogs. Now, why does that matter? Oh, because it will help your business to grow, to be seen, and to connect to the right people. So if you are ready to start your journey, just leave me a comment start and I will send you all the information.